I want to share a story with you. It's not made up, it's not TV drama. This happened in real life, and it's a pretty clear example of what sex discrimination and retaliation can look like in the workplace. Hi, I'm Tom Spiggle, founder of the Spiggle Law Firm, where we help people who have been fired or afraid that they might be. So picture this. It's 2021. A woman working at a healthcare system in Kentucky, Ephraim McDowell Health, applies for a promotion. She's qualified, she's ready, she wants to move up. But instead of giving her the role, the company gives it to a man. And here's the kicker. According to the EEOC, the CEO actually tells her out loud that men, quote, work better with men, and it would just be best to have a man in that leadership position. Yeah, that's what he said. Not only did she not get the job, they give her a lower paying role where she had to report to the man who did get promoted. Now, imagine what that feels like. You're told you're good enough to stay, just not good enough to lead. And the reason? Your gender. So she does what many people would be afraid to do. She files a discrimination charge with the EEOC. She stands up for herself. And what does the company do? They fire her. Let that sink in. First, they discriminate against her, and then when she speaks up, they retaliate against her by taking away her job. That's not just wrong, it's illegal. The EEOC took the case to court, and now Ephraim McDowell Health has agreed to settle. They're paying her $335,000, and they've committed to changing some of their internal practices, things like training, reporting, and making sure their hiring decisions aren't based on outdated and discriminatory ideas about sex. Now look, a check and a promise don't undo what she went through, but this case sends a message. If you're treated unfairly at work because of your gender, and especially if you're punished for standing up, you do have rights, and there are ways to hold your employer accountable. If something like this has happened to you, if you've been passed over, demoted, or fired because of who you are, don't just assume you have to take it. Reach out, talk to someone. You've got options. Thanks for listening, and as always, stay informed and stay empowered.